Rest. Now put your hand on my head. Now remember, when she's putting here, close your eyes and push down, 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 and slip. Lose limb or relax, lose limb or relax, lose limb or relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper, very, very deeply. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Now this technique में आपको थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना है. I know. This workshop, Chennai I was doing a workshop. A lady was doing on a man. Said, remove the hand and give a jerk. Here I didn't give you a jerk. She give a jerk from here. The person fall rolling. So stang pranam. Right? So you need to be careful. Now, this again you watch. Pressing down, not away. It is not like this thing here. And I am supporting my hand with my thing here. When I really feel that, now, ये अभी ऐसे कर रही है, ऐसे नहीं करना. हाँ, just take, हाँ. And then what you do is, when the eyes are closed, when you put the hand, eyes are open, then the eyes are closed. You can do with the eyes open also later on. Yes, it will work. But here, for the learning purpose, eye close is better in the beginning. So, pushing down, push down, 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 down. When you feel real pressure, you remove your hand, what happens? Automatically you get a jerk, am I right?
Yes.